Hello there, my friends. Just got this iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I noticed something when I just switched from Android to iPhone. So hopefully, if you are thinking about doing the same, you may find some of these tips and tricks or videos interesting. Smashing a like helps me a lot, by the way. And if you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. So anyway, I start this thing up, right? And when I want to like close the screen, when I want to like what they call in iPhone language lock the screen, I hit the power button on the side here, right? So do you hear that? That's not the button clicking. That's a noise coming from the phone. All right, listen again. Do you hear that click? It's like click, click, click. It's almost like a shutter click. So I could see how this would be useful for somebody who's maybe sight impaired, so that they know that their phone is going off. But for me, I find that to be a little annoying, and also I don't particularly want to be somewhere and turn off my phone and have people look. Like, oh, look, he has a phone, he has an iPhone, he has an iPhone 13, let's take his iPhone, whatever. I don't want to draw attention to the phone. So how do I turn that sound off? How do I turn this sound off? Well, you go into settings, and when you go into settings, normally you're in this menu here, this top menu. So what you want to do is you want to go down to sound and haptics. Okay, and this is the top of the menu, vibrate on ring. This is where you can set volume levels. But here, what you're looking for here is this little lever right here. It says lock sound. And see how it's green, that little slider? So we're going to turn that off. Just like we turned it off with keyboard clicks, every time you would press like, a number or you'd be texting, like you can turn that off here too. So lock sound off. So let's see what happens now. Nothing. Nothing. Nice and quiet. Exactly the way I want it. So that's how you do that. So if this video helped you, please smash the like button, because that helps me. And if you want to see more, I post every day. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Talk to you on the next one. Thanks. Have a great day. See if you can do something nice for somebody today.